I'm falling from the sky. I'm there.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Priyanka. In today's video, I'm going to be doing swatches and wear test for these Maybelline lipsticks. So these are the Superstay matte ink lipsticks, and these are the pink edition ones. So they did have like a whole range of Superstay matte ink lipsticks earlier, but now Maybelline has come up with the pink edition. So I'm going to be swatching all of the pink edition ones today, and I'll also be doing a wear test, and I'll show you guys everything. There's so many shades of pink, so there's a shade for everyone. There's a shade for lighter skin tones, medium to deeper skin tones, everyone.
I'm falling from the sky. I'm landing on the cloud. You kissed me like a star, and I start to fly over the clouds. Between the feet of the sea, I come down from the clouds. Instead, I was raised.
So those were the swatches. So the shade that I'm wearing is Pathfinder. So this is one of those brighter pinks, and as you can see, this actually is a little like bit of a bright pop of color. I think this shade goes perfectly well with anyone actually. I think all of the shades look beautiful. I actually used red previously, one of those red shades which I had, and I have used the Maybelline Superstay before, so I really like the formula as well. It is quite a non-sticky formula, and it's very comfortable on the lips. So once you wear them, actually you won't feel irritated or you won't feel the dryness. So they're very comfortable on the lips, and even when you eat, these lipsticks actually don't budge. You'll see a little bit of a tint going away, but they actually don't budge. Like I was wearing one of the lighter shades on Indian wear for a recent puja, and then I went for puja, and I think we had lunch. So I mean to say, I was wearing it for the longest period because there was a puja, and then like after the puja there was lunch. So after I had lunch and I came back home, also like my lipstick was like still intact. It did not budge at all, and I think this was in a vlog in my which either went up on my Telugu channel or will go up, so you can check it out there as well. And even today I did a wear test after while I was swatching. So I actually had garlic bread, and I also had soup. So yeah, it actually stuck through the starters and even my full meal. So even now, like I put on this shade, like I've used oil and makeup remover to remove the shades because I was swatching them, and even now like there's hardly any tint, and usually there's not even this much. They really don't budge, which is great, and there's no dryness. There are also 4 shades in the lip crayon. These are the Superstay ink crayons. I'll be trying on this shade called Change is Good. Swatching the shade Change is Good, and you can even use these as lip liners. You can see that they have like a very pointy tip, so you can use them as lip liners as well. And this is a very beautiful peach shade. I really like this one. So this is a very beautiful one, and you can see that you know, you can actually line your lips with these. And this formula is also really beautiful. They're very comfortable on the lips. They do transfer a little bit, but the shade in itself doesn't go away even if you wear them for a couple of hours, which is great. So those are my thoughts on these lipsticks. I love all of them, and they're very beautiful shades. There's just, like I said, there's a shade for everyone. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do let me know in the comments below which one's your favorite shade. I think all the shades are very wearable and beautiful. So this one which I'm wearing has to be my favorite. This is Pathfinder, and I really like the mauve shade too, and one of the peaches. So do check them out. I'll leave the links in the description box, and before you go, do subscribe to my channel, and also find me on Instagram, because you'll be seeing a lot of mini reviews and quick posts and styling videos and so much more there. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and find me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.